So your girl has brassy hair, like brassy orangey red hair. I did a little bit of research online about a certain conditioner that they have in stock here at Ulta. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to fix this. This will be a lot of interesting fun to see how this goes. Yay to Sydney fixing her hair. We're doing big things in 2020. We're doing big things. The bag is secured, literally. So I ended up finding this Cara color plus conditioner in the silver. It was literally the last one left. So super happy that I ended up snagging this. It is a lot smaller than I imagined it would be. Like, I knew it was pretty small, but it's just a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. And it was a little expensive. Well, for me, I think anything over $20 is expensive, and this was $22. So I mean, it wasn't that expensive, but it ended up coming out to $20 flat because I ended up using the $3.50 off the $15 Ulta coupon. So shout out to freaking Ulta coupons. Oh, come here. Okay, I'm back. Ended up finding, again, you know, just the conditioner that I needed. And I'll definitely link it down below because it's available on Amazon as well. I just don't have Prime, really don't have time, and I don't know. If I can go get something, I'm gonna go get it instead of going to pay for it online and then wait for it to get it and then But yeah, this is the baby here. So it's just meant to literally turn your hair silver, which I'm kind of nervous about because I don't know, I don't really need it silver. I just need it to be more brassy, a little bit lighter. So with the contrast of colors, who knows what might happen. I would love to get my hair done, like not knocking on artists or beauty people. I would love to get my hair done. But just right now with my financials going on and just life, I just kind of want to see if I can fix it myself, try to tone it myself, make it magical myself. What you do apparently is you just use it like conditioner. You have like a shampoo with it. They have other color shampoos. But again, you know, I'm just trying to see what I can get away with for the cheapest price possible. Let's just be real. Let's be super real. If not, I would have just bought everything. I would have been like, you get a price, you get a price, you get a
tomorrow.
Okay, time for a mini update. Okay, so I am fresh out of the shower. It is literally a day after, and honestly, I don't know if it did anything, honestly. And honestly, I didn't really see a big difference. Jerome said that he saw a big difference, but I just think he was just trying to make me feel good. Love him so much. But truly, I don't know, I didn't really see a big difference. So I decided to get up this morning and shower again and retry it. However, this time I added in more conditioner, and I actually did it by layers. It doesn't look as orange. It looks a little bit more brown, but definitely not blonde-ish, ashy blondish, what I was aiming for. I don't know, if I had to rate it right now, I would possibly give it like a 5 out of 10. I don't know if it's because I have thick hair. I don't know, but if y'all have ever tried the Cara Color silver conditioner, and you saw some really awesome results, please tell me in the comments below how you did it, how you achieved it, because I'm having a rough time. But yeah, I mean, I will say overall, I think maybe I should just try to leave it in a little bit longer and kind of have it like a mask as opposed to a conditioner, because my hair is so thick. I don't know. But what I do know is Susan just walked by. Let me see if I can grab her. Got her. Hi. So what I ended up doing is I ended up using it like a mask. I literally just took it straight from the bottle to my dry hair. I did it in layers, and I literally sectioned layer by layer the product, literally like layer by layer. My turtleneck, it's a hard turtleneck today. Layer by sections, and I literally had it sit in my hair for maybe about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. No, 5 minutes. It wasn't super long. And then of course, you know, I washed it out, and I did like a normal rinse. I didn't put any shampoo in it. I literally just like used it like it was just a conditioner, just rinsed it, washed it out, washed my body, of course, washed my face, did all that jazz. And honestly, I feel like that worked best for me. I really like how it turned out. You know, now it's like still some red tones in it, but it's definitely a lot more blonde, a lot more toned down and not as brassy, and I really love it. So I guess I can kind of take back what I said earlier. I mean, I would recommend, I just think you have to, look at me, I feel like an eye twitch. I would recommend, I just feel like you have to just see what works for your hair. My hair is super thick, and it was also very orangey. So I think if your hair is slightly orange and you kind of like just want to throw it in and it's pretty thin, then I would definitely use it like the conditioner, like it's supposed to. But truly, if you've got really thick hair, I would honestly just use it as a mask. Use it as a mask. Put it in your dry hair, have it sit for a couple minutes, and then rinse it out. And I feel like that works best for me. So overall, would I recommend? Yes. It was definitely worth it as opposed to going to a hairstylist to get it done, because that would have cost me way over $200. So technically by price point, definitely feel like it's worth it. It's a quick fix, it's easy, and it really does work. I just think it just depends on figuring out your own hair, what works for you, trying it out, of course, the normal way that's supposed to be done, and if that doesn't work, then just compromising. So yeah, I liked it overall. I enjoyed it. So yeah.